Hi fam, good morning, maayong adlaw, maayong hapon, maayong gabi sa inyong tanan from Calgary to Canada and Pilipinas. So today, this is after the stampede. So sobrang pagod pa namin. Kagabi nga, diretso na kami nakatulog and I just woke up like 1 a.m. Kasi naisip ko biglang kailangan ko pa palang kumpunihin yung dishwasher. Syempre, back to our usual routine. Ahatid na natin si Kuya Davon and si Lianica sa kanilang summer camp. Technically for Kuya Davon lang yung summer camp, but for Lianica, it's her daycare. Ayan. So nandyan ang aking mga kids. Ayan. So I don't know what's wrong with Lian, but let me check her out, okay? And there you go, si Lian nga napaihi. Oh no, Daddy forgot na dapat pala pagka morning pa lang magbibibi na si Lian. So we just decided to proceed, go to the school, and doon ko na lang siya papalitan, or baka yung teacher na lang ang magpapalit. So there you go. It was a very good experience sa Stampede. Very organized ang event. Sobrang daming tao, pero kahit na sobrang daming tao, maganda pa rin yung pagpapalakad talaga ng event. Alam mong pro na pro sila, and lagi nilang ginagawa yun every year. So ang dami-dami, sobrang activities nandun. Syempre maglalaan lang kayo ng budget for the rides, but there would be a lot of attractions really to watch out for. So kahit na yung wala namang mga costs talaga, ang ganda-ganda, may mga band, Stampede band yun for sure, and ang daming showcases, ang daming mga merchandises, ang daming benta. Saddle Dome is open. Yeah, so very good talaga ang experience namin. And then nga, sabi nga namin ito na sure mga after 3 years na tayo lang bumalik ulit ng Stampede kasi sobrang pagod eh. But then naisip naman namin later on, siguro nasasabi lang namin to kasi kakagaling lang namin. Pero next year, after mong ma-experience yung winter, after mong ma-experience yung sobrang lamig, syempre sabi ka ulit na lumabas. I think when it's Stampede time, sobrang gusto na naman namin pumunta. So let's see next year. Okay, so malapit na kami. Ayun ang mga kids, ayun ang mga bata. Malapit na kami sa kanilang daycare and summer camp. And I'll see you today. Medyo nagmamadali ako pa uwi kasi yung order ko for my work na Sony headset ay parang na-deliver ata sa maling unit. So meron namang picture, pero yun nga, may kasalanan din ako kasi mali yung unit number na nabigay ko. Oh man, sana nandun lang. So yun, check out natin dito sa whole townhouse area kung saan nila nalagay. Kasi nga mali yung unit number ko, pero meron namang parang picture ang Amazon na sinend sa akin. So hopefully okay. Oh man, sayang yun pag hindi na-receive or hindi ko nakuha, kasi medyo magandang headset yun. It's the Sony XM4. So gustong gusto kong headset yun. Sana nandun lang. Okay, so hanapin ko lang muna. And actually it's partly my fault. Saan kaya siya dito? Okay, balik tayo. Sure, nandito lang. Kasi mali yung unit number na nalagay ko. Okay, so let's check it out. Nakakainis. Okay, anyway, i-video ko kung nasa nakalagay at kung nakuha ba ng unit owner or hindi, or hopefully nilapag niya lang somewhere. So, okay, and there you go. Mali ang unit number na nalagay ko. So, ayan na siya. And I'm very excited. Parang gift na rin to ng company eh. Kasi I've been here for 3 years, hindi ako nakapag-request ng headset before. So, in-approve nila to kahit na medyo pricey. XM4 to eh. So, this is one of the top-notch active noise cancelling headset. So, buksan natin later. Thank you, owner, for being honest. And surprisingly, astig kasi nilagay lang ng owner dun sa labas. Yung parang naka-expose siya. Just to really tell na, oh, this is not mine. Please, kunin nyo kung sino man kayong nagkamali ng unit number. So, thank you again. And it pays to be honest. There you go. Nakuha natin kahit na mali yung unit number. And thank you, Amazon, for notifying me. And really, this is fast delivery within 24 hours. Kasi nga, prime business naman ang company namin. So, let's go. Excited na ako. Hey fam, there you go. So, to continue our vlog for today, napakita ko na sa inyo na may bago akong headset. Hindi ko pa siya nabubuksan, actually. Dito pa. And it's, in a sense, a gift from the company. Pero request ko talaga to for my work. Yan. So, pakita ko sa inyo later. Pagdating na siguro ni Mommy at mahuhulog pa. And may isa pang blunder na nangyari sa akin. So, I was really pumped up kasi since Monday ngayon, I was really pumped up para mag-work. Pagdating ko sa meeting, na may nag-message sa akin isang team member and one of our developer. Lawrence, ba't ka nandito at naka-online? It's our company day today. That means it's a holiday for our company. So totally na-miss ko talaga. And I need to be there for around 1 hour. So parating ang mga developers and test engineers namin. And yeah, I was just there to remind them that it's the company holiday today and they need to take a break and need to take the holiday off and relax. So I got 2 things na muntika nang nawala at dahil napapunta sa iba, dahil mali ang unit address na nalagay ko. And number 2, nakalimutan ko na company holiday pala today. Minsan talaga nangyayari yung ganun. Parang, kasi kahapon, Calgary Stampede, so yung feeling mo na, oh, sobrang nag-enjoy ka ng weekend, sobrang na-enjoy mo, had a great time with family, so come Monday, pump up ka to go to work. So parang hindi mo na naisip na kung ano-ano pa yung mga ibang logistics na kailangan. But then again, yeah, good thing it's a company holiday. Medyo malat pa yung boses ko. I really needed a rest as well. So there you go. Relax lang tayo and I'm just waiting for Mommy. And I've decided na for our lunch, it's going to be a Mongo day. Pwede namang mag-Mongo kahit na Monday. So why not? And favorite kasi ito ni Lian and Kuya Davon. Madami talaga silang rice na nakakain. So yesterday kasi more on nasa Western food kami. Chicken nuggets, chicken fingers, fries. Kasi yan naman yung makikita mo dun sa Calgary Stampede na mga food. So might as well cook some Filipino proper food with rice for today. Yan. So para healthy ang ating mga anak. And of course, maglilinis-linis lang ako. A bit of surprise as well for Mommy kasi manggagaling siya ng work din. Kanina 4 a.m. na naman gumising ang Mommy. Napakasipag. So, yeah. Today is our rest day. My rest day. Rest day din ata ni Mommy kasi bukas ata wala din siyang pasok. So, there you go fam. And samahan niyo ulit ako for today's video. So, there you go. Start lang tayo mag-prepare ng ating munggo. And hopefully, okay pa itong mga garlic kasi parang ang tagal na ata. And there you go, fam! So, saute lang tayo ng pork, onion, and garlic. So, sibuyas, pork, liempo, and of course, lalagyan natin ng pepper. Ayan. Okay. So, saute lang natin yan. Gisahin lang natin. And then, maya-maya, lagay na natin yung munggo and water para sabay na sila. Ganun yung ginagawa ko para shortcut na lang. Sinasabay ko na yung paglalambot ng munggo and ng liempo. Napansin ko kasi more or less pag lumambot na yung liempo, okay na din yung munggo sa lambot or vice versa. Pinagsasabay ko na silang dalawa. Okay, so luto lang tayo and I'll just be studying there for some of the videos that we have right now for editing. And magsa-study din ako ng some e-commerce businesses and yeah, a couple of businesses that I'm interested into. So, catch you later. A little bit of cooking show na to. So, yung talong natin. And lagyan na natin ng greens and let's wait for mommy kasi pauwi na rin si mommy para sabay na kaming kumain. Ina-avoid ko kasi talagang kumain na mag-isa. Medyo malungkot. Hindi ako sanay. Kasi kahit na nung bata kami, pag sa bahay namin sa Davao, sobrang daming tao. So there would never be a time na ikaw lang mag-isa kakain. Ayan. So, antayin lang natin tong lumambot. Nakasaing na rin ako. There you go. So, ready for lunch na after that. And there you go, fam. Nalagyan ko na ng greens. Finishing touches na tikman na natin. Just like my mommy's cooking. Sarap. Thanks for teaching me this, mommy. And I miss you. My mom's currently in Davao. So, we'll see you soon. So, kakausap ko lang kay mommy. Hindi ko na pala siya maaantay at sobrang late na siya makakauwi. So, it's around lunchtime pero 2 p.m. or 3 p.m. pa na makakauwi si mommy. Pero, I'm ready to eat my lunch. And look at that. That's our finished product. Munggo. Sinabawan na munggo. Or ginisang munggo sa ibang Tagalog term. Pero gusto ko kasi madaming sabaw. And of course, hindi mawawala ang ating sile and patis. So there you go, fam. Lunchtime. Again, hindi ko pa nabubuksan yung headphone at sobrang excited na akong i-try. I might wait for mommy na lang bago ko siya buksan. So see you. Kain lang ako. So, there you go. And thanks pala to Alwin and Emma. Nagkaroon ako ng idea. So, actually, naalala ko to na pwede ko nga palang gawin after namin bilhin ng bahay. Pero hindi ko na naalala, syempre, after madami kang kukumpunuhin. So, si Emma and Alwin nag-remind sa akin to do this. And kakagawa lang din nila neto for their newly acquired townhouse. So, ito pala ay makakapag-refund sa inyo ng around 25% of your CMHC insurance. Ayan, so chine-check lang naman if kung gaano ka energy efficient ang bahay. So, syempre, when it comes to the heater, kung sealed ba, maganda ba yung windows and all. And actually, when I called the company na mag-check, parang since bago pa naman yung bahay, it's just around 10 to 15 years. They don't think na hindi naman ma-approve. But yeah, we still need to do our inspection and hopefully ma-approve. So the payment pala is if you're going to do it upfront or when the time na i-check, it's 650 plus GST. Or if you want, you can do it after naman ma-approve. But syempre, mas mahal. 850 plus GST. So again, this is fully refundable kung nag-fail yung inspection or yung energy efficient house rating nyo ay fully refundable ang payment. But if nag-push through and approve, of course, the payment will be good, but you're gonna get a refund of 25% of your CMHC insurance. So laking bagay nun. I think around $2,000-3,000 din siguro yun. I'm not sure, but yeah, I'm banking on it na ma-approve. So thanks again, Alwin and Emma. Si Emma pa talaga yung nag-facilitate. Thank you, sister, sa pag-recommend din ng company for this inspection. Si Guy. Ayan, check ng mga windows and all.
For today?
Oh yeah, I wanna pay for it today. So that's gonna be the 650 plus GST, right?
Yeah.
This is the equipment. Okay, so ito yung gamit na pang-check ng air. So ang galing. So pina-close lahat ng bintana. For air leakage. And syempre kasama yun sa home efficiency check. And sundo time now with the kids. Ayan, nandito na si Mommy. Actually, nakapagpahinga talaga. Thank you sa aking company for this company day. Di ba, may extra holiday ako. Every year. Nagtaka din si Mommy, ba't hindi ako nag-work eh? Pagdating niya kanina eh.
Parang half day.
Ayan. Yeah. Hindi naman half day. Sige, full day pa rin pero nag-extra 1 hour work lang ako with my boss. Yeah. And ayun, natapos din ang energy inspection or energy efficiency inspection. Yeah. Sobrang bilis ng booking ko and sa pagpunta nila dito. Yeah. So, siguro mga around 1 hour lang naman chinek ni brother inspector yung bahay. And yeah, very thorough. Nag-check siya sa windows.
Yeah.
Meron nga tayong aircon, di ba? So, portable aircon namin, fam, kasi sobrang init na dito. So, may portable aircon kami. Ayun, tinanggal pa namin tuloy ang makeshift. Yung makeshift para sa exhaust ng portable aircon namin. So,
para ma-close yung window.
Para ma-close yung window tightly. So, ang galing ng isang gadget niya, parang airtight inspection. So, pinakita ko sa video kanina kung ano yun. Sayang di ko na video yung actual na habang umaandar siya. Yeah. But then again, ayan, thanks again for Alwin and Emma for sharing that video. Nakakapulot talaga tayo ng aral sa iba't ibang mga vloggers talaga na hindi natin naiisip or naisip ko dati, nakalimutan ko na siya actually. And good thing within 2 years pa since the purchase of our house. Kaya pwede pa tayo. So, kahit na magkano yun, ang laking bagay ng 25% refund na yun.
That's right.
And anyway, kung mag-fail man ang inspection na yun, hindi tayo ma-approve, i-refund naman nila yung bayad sa atin. So, win-win talaga kahit na saan. So, okay. Punta lang kami kina Kuya Davon and Lianica. Susunduin lang namin. And see you later. So, nandito na kami sa school ni na Kuya Davon and Lianica sa daycare. And sabi ni Kuya, Kuya, Daddy, get your camera. I want to show you something. What are you going to show me, Kuya? Oh, wow. It's a Cybertruck.
It's a big screen.
Yeah, it has. Kuya, look at its wipers.
Wow, that's so big.
That's a huge wiper. Wow, nice Cybertruck.
Look at the wheel, Kuya.
Wow.
Of course Cybertrucks have that wheel.
That is so cool.
And it has square lights.
Yeah, square lines? Nasaan? Nasaan yung square lines? Oh, square lights. Yeah.
Like this wheel,
Yeah, that's right. Okay. Wow, that's a nice Cybertruck. It's a black matte Cybertruck. It's my first time also, fam, to see this in person. Kasi medyo konti lang yung Tesla dito sa Alberta. It's because of the weather. Kasi diba, nagde-deteriorate yung performance ng battery pag masyadong malamig. Pero sa Vancouver, sobrang dami. And I think siguro lang parang 50% ng sasakyan sa Vancouver, Tesla, no?
Oo.
Sobrang dami talaga
lalo sa may Richmond.
Oo, lalo na sa may Richmond. Lahat talaga, Model 3 talaga and all eh. Okay, so nandito na kami and we're going to our van. And see you later. At my daughter's bangs. Bagay na bagay kay Lian. Flying kiss daw, Vic. Flying kiss. Mwah. Okay. And of course, ang aming dinner ay monggo.
With?
What's that?
That on.
Again, what is that?
Chicharron.
Chicharon. Okay, so dinner lang kami, fam. Hey fam, nakatulog ng mga bata sa taas. So, it's time for Daddy. Alright, Dream headphones from Sony. Let's check it out. Ha ha ha. Presenting Sony's 1000 XM4. Sana hindi magising. Look at that gold. Thank you, company. Let's just enjoy the night. Thank you, company. Thank you, Sony.